As I said, this is the dollar CAD, and on Thursday we had quite a big range day. That was a typical or a normal behavior after a big range day, especially if it gets to a structural point. So we're still positive on the dollar CAD, and we want to maintain the long bias. Uh, if the dollar trades below the structure point, which is the 107.40, 107.04, which is, as you see right there, this is our number, that this was our structure point from last week. I mean, this is all the prep work that we did last week. So that prep work is still intact. So we will only go short below the 107.04. Right now we have a very low risk trade. We can still maintain our long bias to buy the dollar CAD. So our short point in this grade, just looking at this chart, we have now a clean, easy trades for us to go short. So I can go short below the structure, which is the 107 in this case, and I can go long at this moment in time. As long as it closes at the 107.09, I can still be long, but in this case we will take it above the 107.20. So we will buy above the 1720, and we are going to put our stop on the long stop below. So you're risking about 20 pips on that trade, and we are going to go short I'm going to take it below these lows, which is going to be 106.30. 160. So we're going to put the stop right there. We're going to go short right there, and I'm going to put my stop right here. Now I think we need, because this trend, guys, is so powerful to the upside. I don't want you to get whipsawed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a more conservative entry, and I will short it below. Again, the reason I'm saying that is because we have a big trend on the daily chart on the dollar, so I need to take a more conservative entries so that you do not get whipsawed during the week. So we're going to go short below our selling point from last time, which is the 106.22, and I'm going to put my stop (106.45). So we have about, again, and this is what's nice, when you have a stops based on the structure, then you have decent entries and exit, and you can pinpoint your stops based on the structural point. So we are going to buy above 107.20. Our short point is 106.22. Our structure point is still on the long side, the 107.81, which has been respected for all of last week. our short point structure short is still there intact. Our long stop is 1.7, and if I go short below 162, then my stop is 1.645. Okay. At the end of the session, I'm going to have the radar screen up for you like this so that you can write these numbers, the ones that do not have the software. The ones that have the software, if you want, just send me an email and I will send you back this workspace so that you upload it on your screen. And the ones that have multi-chart, we have this. I can send you all that stuff also on the multi-chart workspace so that you can upload it on your multi-charts, either or. Okay. Now, just one thing: if you guys have a Hotmail account, the Hotmail account turns back or sends me back those the software because the file is big. So unless you have a Google email, if you don't, I can send you an invitation to get a Google email because it will allow you to accept large folders. Okay.